you're witnessing, what you're seeing right here, right now, this is the true definition of a group where people are going in different directions with the mission, the vision, the values, the beliefs of an organization, the expectations, the norms. This right here is a true definition of a group. We don't want to be that. Now, why do we have people going in different directions? Just out loud, what are some of the reasons why we have groups within organizations? What are things that come against us and cause us to have a group? Yes, loud.
They have their own agendas.
Say that loud and proud.
They have their own agendas.
Very good. Own agendas. Own agendas. And it's important as a team, we don't have our own agendas. I saw someone's hand go up right here.
And sometimes we bring our own biases and philosophies of what we think is the way we should teach.
There you go. There you go.
Change.
Say that loud and proud.
Change.
Change. Struggling with change.
Yes.
There you go.